Welcome back to the next series of questions of solid state NEET question. Question number 6. Copper crystallizes in face-centered cube with a unit length of 361 picometer. What is the radius of the copper atom? So they are asked the radius. So already I said for FCC, either we can write a by 2 into root 2 or 0.3535 A. In short, I have given in this radius of FCC 0.3535 A, or we can write a by 2 into root 2. So this is a very shortcut method. Directly we can substitute A value, 0.3535. So 0.3535 into 361 picometer. So we'll get a 128 picometer. Very quickly we can answer this. This is a shortcut method. Please by heart the table, above the table. So next is question number 7. In cesium chloride type structure, the coordination number of cesium plus and Cl minus respectively 6, 6 and 6, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 6. So it is actually 8, 8. Because the coordination number of cesium chloride is cubic, or it is a body-centered cubic. So it is 8:8 ratio. So at the back, let us see the table of column after seeing this question. The ionic radii of X and Y ions are. So X is the cation and Y is the anions, or 146 is the cation of X and 216 picometer is the anion of Y value. So the probable type of structure shown it is either the cesium chloride type or rock salt type or zinc blende type or the calcium fluoride. It is called fluorspar type. So directly fluorspar also they might have given. So let us discuss this structure. You just see this radius ratio R plus cation by anion radius range. You just by heart this 0.155 to 0.225, 0.225, 0.414, 0.732. You just by heart this 0.155, 0.225, 0.414, 0.732. 0.155 to this value 0.225. Then 0.225, next value 0.414. Then 0.4 value, next one 0.732. 0.732 to 1. So the coordination number is 0.1553, 0.2254, 0.414, the coordination number is 6, 0.732 to 1, the value is 8. So between these two, the number falls or the coordination number is 3, 4, 6 and 8. 3 means triangular, 4 means tetrahedral and 6 means octahedral. If it is octahedral means FCC. So it is a HCP or CCP. HCP, CCP, hexagonal closed cubic and closed cubic factor, and HCP and CCP both are belongs to FCC only. Octahedral also FCC. Cubic is belongs to BCC. Cubic the coordination number is 8 and octahedral coordination number or FCC is 6. Rock salt. NaCl is called as a rock salt. Magnesium oxide, calcium oxide. Or the example of octahedral cubic, cesium chloride, thallium bromide, ammonium bromide, cesium bromide. All these are belongs to cubic. So here in the question they have given in the 7th question they have said a cesium chloride. So in the table cesium chloride is the example for a structure of cubic structure, or it is a body centered cubic. Their coordination number is 8. So 8 is to 8. So let us see the question of radius ratio R cation by anion. Cation is called a X is the cation and Y is the anion. X value is 146 and Y value is 216. X value is X value. First one is 146 and Y value is 216 in a picometer. So finding the ratio between these two, we are getting the answer 0.675. So this 0.675 falls between 0.6, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6 and 0.7. All lies between in this octahedral structure that is called FCC, that is nothing but sodium chloride as a rock salt. So the question is nothing but rock salt type. Come to the next question. The intermetallic compound of lithium silver crystallizes in a cubic lattice in which both lithium and silver atoms have coordination number of 8. To what crystal class does the unit belongs to? Whether simple cubic, or if it is a face-centered cubic, or body-centered cubic, or none of the above. The body-centered cubic consists of all 8 corners plus 1 atom at the center cube. So it should be a body-centered cubic. Option is C. Come to the next question of this series 10. Which of the following is not a crystalline solid? So potassium chloride is a crystal, cesium chloride is a crystal, rhombic is a crystal, and this glass is nothing but it is amorphous. So if it is in a glass means supercooled liquid and it is a transparent amorphous solid, so it is a state between 2 states of matter. So it is not a crystal. Glass is not a crystal. So glass is nothing but supercooled liquid. And glass is a transparent amorphous solid. It is not a crystalline solid. It is an amorphous solid. That too transparent amorphous solid. It is nothing but a state between 2 states of matter. So it is called supercooled liquids. Thanks for watching, students. If you like, please subscribe, students.